So this is going to be kind of a recap video. What I'm going to be doing is installing some Portawalls. And I'm going to show you how I install them so they don't look all floppy and messed up. I know I've done a video like this before, but it was kind of goulashed into working on a truck, so I'm just going to do a quick little video on installing the Portawalls by themselves on a tire. So my tires on this car are pretty much hit the end of their life. Wonder why? But I'm going to do an upgrade to some radials. So I'll take you along, show you how you do this. So I think here's the part where they say in the manual to start beating it with a hammer. I find you don't need to do that. What I do is I set the bead, so you don't have to change the tire. You can actually just pop your bead, slip this in, and then I find I inflate it till the bead pops, so it's sitting on the rim properly. And then now you can see this is how some people, they put them on and it just looks terrible, like it's all flopped around. So what I do, you can see on the edge how it's even up with the rim lip. I just take my palm of my hand and I push it underneath just so it catches under the lip now. There's no air in the tire at this point. And you can see it's sitting nice and flat now. And over here, it's not fitting good. There, so now it's all tight underneath. So now I'll put air back in the tire. Get my chuck. Now we'll just fill it up to the proper air pressure. I don't go more than, I think they have a 1 7/8. They have a 3-inch, but I would never go the 3-inch on a radial because it will never sit tight to the tire. Now as you inflate, it puts pressure on the white Portawall. Oops, wait till that goes. Okay. There we go. One Portawall. So because I have it, I'm just going to balance my tire. I have one of these old school bubble balancers. Actually, not really old school. Wow. The technology is old school, but I think you can still buy them at like Harbor Freight or Princess Auto. I think I got this one. All it is just a bubble in the middle. You set your tire on it. So right now you can see, hopefully you can see that the bubble's out. So I just have random weights that I've taken off. So you put it at the end of the bubble. And as long as you get within the bubble, I could go a little more, but that's pretty good. So now we're balanced. So what I'll do is I'll put this on the opposite side so I don't see the weights on the outside of the tire. And good to go. So there we go. Be pretty hard pressed to tell the difference for the most part. They're not the huge white walls like I had on, but I've upgraded the radials. They look good, they fit tight. And they're cheap. I think I have, the Portawalls cost $100. I think I got them from Amazon, so if you just look up Portawall, you'll find them there. If you look up Atlas Whitewalls, I think that's what it is. I think it'll bring you to the Portawalls shop. I think that's the website. I'll put a link in the description. But yeah, I think the alternative's pretty cheap. Portawalls are $100 and then I think I paid $350 for tires, so for what would cost me up here, one wide white wall is almost like $400 or $500. So, and I just put all 4 white walls on my car with brand new tires on top of that. So yeah, the other option would be to paint them, but this is actually easier, and I don't know, it just looks better in the long run. They're easy to clean up and stuff. But yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you found it useful. Later.